Welcome to the very first episode of our podcast. Hi, guys, my name is Rudra Anand, and I'm super excited to kick things off with someone who is truly inspiring. And today we are having Sashwat Bachetti, an IB ND achiever, a proud alumnus of Serik School Gorakhal, and the vice president of our own beloved Mantrana Society. Welcome, Sashwat, and thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me here, Rudra.
Okay, so Ashwat, before we start, I just want to lighten up the things. So let's start with the segment. तो मैं एक स्पेसिफिक काउंसिल स्टूडेंट्स का नाम बोलूंगी एंड यू हैव डिस्क्राइब देम इन वन वर्ड. ओके. दिव्या चमोली,
Witty,
करण कुमार,
hard worker,
शाश्वत बचेती,
happy,
रुद्र आनंद,
jolly,
शीतल राणा.
mm, multi-talented.
Nice. It's good. Okay. So I just want to ask, let's start from the very beginning.
Hmm.
How was your experience at Scenic School Gorakhal, Nainital, right? How was your experience over there? I mean, I imagine the discipline, the environment which shaped you very well.
I went there at a very young age. मैं जब 5th क्लास मेरी कंप्लीट हुई थी मैं तभी सैनिक स्कूल गोड़ाकाल में चला गया था और इफ़ आई हैव टू टॉक अबाउट द एक्सपीरियंस इट वाज वेरी ग्रेट. सैनिक स्कूल गोड़ाकाल में ऐसा होता है कि एक बच्चे को शुरुआत से ही ऐसे मोल्ड किया जाता है कि वो आगे जाके ऑफिसर बने. तो वी हैड टू फॉलो अ वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट रूटीन which started from 4:30 in the morning and ended at 10 in the evening. Earlier, it may have felt like a burden, but eventually it became a part of what we were. So we got a sense of discipline और determination इस रूटीन को फॉलो करते करते. और हमारे स्कूल में ऐसा होता था कि एक स्टूडेंट को ही didn't have to excel at academics only. He was pushed to excel in extracurriculars as well और sports में भी उसे अच्छा करना ही होता था. So starting say our school provides us the mindset to become an all-rounder and to become an officer in the late stages of his life.
Nice. And Sashwat, at which point you decided that NDA is the only thing you have to do? I mean, कभी तो ऐसा हुआ होगा ना कि you just एकदम से you cling to one thing in your mind and you was like, नहीं, अब तो NDA ही करना है.
If I have to say a specific moment, that would be impossible because when I went there, as I said, I was very young. I went there with a very fresh mind. I was open to very new ideas और हमारा environment ही ऐसा था. We were surrounded by the forces. हमारे principal officers हैं, हमारे vice principal officers हैं, administration officers हमारे सारे they are serving officers, right? And our trainers they are in the forces. हमारे जो alumni है सारे जाके officers बन रहे हैं. The talk among the students, they're all talking about joining the forces. So if a child is exposed to that sort of environment from a very early stage in his life, तो उसके दिमाग में सिर्फ वही चलेगा. And I've been thinking about that from class 6.
Yeah.
So I
Get
cannot
fascinated.
exactly. I've been fascinated by this from a very young age. So I cannot tell a specific moment. I've thought about that from my childhood. So that has been my goal from a very early point of my life.
And what is the toughest part of the preparation?
The toughest part of a preparation to become an officer would be starting all over again after a failure. क्योंकि SSB और रिकमेंडेशन एक ऐसी साइकिल है जिसमें बहुत सारे स्टेप्स होते हैं, राइट. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू क्लियर द रिटन एग्जामिनेशन, उसके बाद तुम्हारा SSB का कॉल लेटर आएगा, उसके बाद यू हैव टू गेट स्क्रीन्ड इन, देन यू हैव टू गेट रिकमेंडेड, उसके बाद यू हैव टू गेट मेडिकली फिट एंड देन यू हैव टू गेट मेरिट इन एंड देन होपफुली यू विल गेट योर जॉइनिंग लेटर, राइट. तो I failed 2 times, I have to admit, in the SSB procedure. And after that, I had to start all over again. And that would be the toughest part, as I mentioned. Because एक बार जब तुम फेल हो जाते हो तब कुछ तुम्हें लगता नहीं है. You feel it is hopeless to try again. But you have to overcome that and hopefully good things are awaiting you.
Exactly, guys. Like NDA, clearing NDA is not a piece of cake for real. Okay, so as a vice president of Mantrana Society, how has the role shaped you?
When I first joined Mantrana, तब तो मैं एक स्टूडेंट था. I wanted to gain exposure to many new things. Debating करनी थी मेरे को and I also had to learn as many things as I could, right? So first of all, my perspective was to learn from myself, to learn as an individual. But when you are behind the scenes, when you have to organize these events, जिसमें तुम पहले सिर्फ participate करने की सोच रहे थे, तो वो एकदम different चीज़ हो जाती है एकदम, right? So this role has shaped me a lot because पहले we had to take accountability of ourselves only. But when you have to organize an event, you have to take accountability for each and every individual and हर वो चीज़ तुम्हें ध्यान में रखनी होती है जो चीज़ गलत हो सकती है. And eventually things will go wrong. and you have to come up with a solution on the spot, right? So I have been fortunately a part of many such situations. So I think the role has helped me a lot, and I'm truly grateful that the role was assigned to me.
Yeah. And one thing I have to tell you about Shashwat कि ये बहुत discipline है, but the thing is that I still remember we are preparing for foundation day and Shashwat हम सब लोग कितना stress हो रखे कि caterer कौन देखेगा, who is going to manage for the script, and Shashwat and few friends of him ये लोग अंदर पुशअप की प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं लाइक कल हमारा इवेंट है और इनका पुशअप चला 250 मार ब्रो मैं 100 मार के दिखाऊंगा लाइक सीरियसली डिसिप्लिन विद द स्ट्रेंथ फॉर रियल ओके साशर एक तो ऐसा अपने टंग ट्विस्टर है सो लेट्स सी ओके आर यू रेडी okay I scream you scream you we all scream for ice cream you have to say this 5 times on a 2x speed
I scream, you scream, you all scream for ice cream.
right
I scream, you scream, you all scream for ice cream. I scream, you scream, we all. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
one more time
I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. थोड़ा टफ तो ये तो इजी सा था.
ओके थोड़ा टफ चाहिए आपको ठीक है लेट्स सी गाइस ठीक है थोड़ा टफ देते हैं आपको ठीक है शी सेल बाय द शीशो
She sells seashells by the seashore.
पटाइस
She sells seashells by the seashore. 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 She sells seashells by the seashore.
Oh God, you killed it for real. Wow, nice. Okay, Sasha, one question for you. Like, as a student of DAV, okay, which opportunity at DAV college do you believe helps students building confidence and leadership skills?
बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज हमारे बहुत सारे यहाँ पे organizations है like Mantrana Society we can take National Cadet Corps, we can take NSS, we can take Scouts and Guides. So these organizations not only target the academics, they are apart from academics. ये बच्चे के soft skills जो कि बहुत essential है adult life में इनको target करते हैं और exposure देते हैं नई नई चीज़ों के लिए. So these are the organizations that help us.
Which quality of DAV college stands out to you the most?
DAV बहुत अलग है from all the colleges in Dehradun because DAV एक ऐसा कॉलेज है जहाँ पे जो स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं they are mostly aspirants. Apart from their degree that they are pursuing, they are also always preparing for some sort of competitive examinations, right? So अगर कोई भी बच्चा यहाँ पे है and he is preparing for some sort of competitive examination, he will surely find a pal or a fellow that he can prepare with. तो environment बना रहता है यहाँ पे उस बच्चे का and he can be totally focused on his goals and he can get a degree that he wants.
All right, Sashwat, before we wrap up, let's lighten up things with a quick rapid fire round in which I'll throw some question up to you and you have to give the answer without overthinking. Okay? Favorite subject in school?
Maths.
Saliva, God is genius science.
ज़रूरी होती है ना maths.
Good. ये सिर्फ एक सेंट स्कूल का बच्चा बोल सकता है. A leader you admires the most.
Sam Manekshaw.
Why?
He relates with the people that are under him and he puts them in a situation that they are very comfortable with him.
So he's your idol.
You can say that.
Okay, nice. If not NDA, what career would you have chosen?
I would have chosen the forces either with CDS or FCAT if I was not able to clear to NDA.
Okay. Mantrana event or Mantrana session?
Event.
Why?
Session hardly lasts for it takes 2 or 3 days to prepare और एक दिन में session खत्म हो जाता है. Events it takes preparation of over 1 or 2 weeks and उसके साथ हम we have to prepare a lot. हम दोस्तों के साथ मजे करते हैं and then event ये over हो जाता है then we get a sense of satisfaction कि finally हमारी इतनी मेहनत है जो वो pay off हुई है and our event was successful.
In fact, हम लोग friends भी हम सब लोग event पे जरूरी वाले थे guys. Yeah. Dramatic club or debating club?
Debating club. I am the go-to debating club. I will always choose debating club.
Okay, guys. I don't want to say anything on this. Okay. One Mantrana Society memory you'll never forget.
Foundation day.
Some specific memory of that day.
As I mentioned वो देखो एक तो हमने प्रिपेयर करने में ज़्यादा टाइम लगा और थ्रू आउट द प्रिपरेशन हमको लग रहा था कि वी वर हैविंग मेनी सेटबैक्स वी वर हैविंग मेनी डिलेज और हमारी डेडलाइन सारी छूट रही थी बट इन द एंड द इवेंट वर्कड आउट वेरी वेल हमको बहुत मज़े आए और लास्ट मोमेंट भी बहुत ज़्यादा हुए थे सेटबैक्स जो कि हमने तुरंत एट द मोमेंट सॉल्व किए थे एंड at the last everyone was happy. We had a very successful event. So that's why.
If you could relive one day from your journey, what would it be?
The day after I got recommended, that is 26 जुलाई 2025, क्योंकि उससे पहले मैं ऑलमोस्ट 2 इयर्स के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहा था और ऑल द थिंग्स दैट हैपेंड लेड मी टू दैट डे. उस दिन इतने वो डे बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनल था. एक तो हैप्पीनेस थी बहुत ज़्यादा और उसके बाद रिलीफ, सेंस ऑफ रिलीफ मिला मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा कि सब कुछ ओवर हो चुका है ऑलमोस्ट. एंड आई एम फाइनली वेरी क्लोज टू व्हाट आई ड्रीम्ड. So that day would be the day.
26th of July. What a wonderful day. Nice. Okay, Shashwat, before we wrap up, last हमारी फरमाइश है कि हमने कभी सोल्जर को गाना गाते हुए नहीं देखा है.
गाना
तो I just want कि हम गाना गाओ.
ठीक है. फर्स्ट सॉन्ग दैट कम्स टू माय माइंड अभी तो यही आ रहा है क्योंकि रैंडमली आपने अचानक से पूछ लिया क्वेश्चन. आई विल बेडुपाको बारमासा बेडुपाको बारमासा ओ नरणी का फल पाको चेता मेरी चेला नरणी का फल पाको चेता मेरी चेला. इतनी लिरिक्स आते हैं.
Okay, it was good. Okay, thank you so much, Shashwat. So it's a wrap, guys. It's officially wrap for our first episode of the podcast. And until next time, keep learning, keep growing.
Thank you so much, Sasha. We did it. ज़्यादा overacting हो गई. कैसे लग रहा है आपको?
बस अभी टेंशन है.
कैसे लग रहा है देवश्रुत आपको?
बेकार बिल्कुल.
तानिया? You guys enjoyed it. God, who I know from Rudra की side से.